You really, as an entrepreneur in today's world, need to understand what the VCs want and even what the strategics want in order to do it. Being at a meeting like this at LSI is a great way to do it because you get exposed to the VCs, you get exposed to the entrepreneurs.
You know, LSI is always a great conference. I really enjoy being here because it's a phenomenal combination of strategics, investors, and medical technology innovation. I've been in the business 30 years, and this conference does, I think, among the best, if not the best job of aggregating all of those different groups in the same environment where the interaction is fluid. It's constant, it's always there, and it's hard to pass up. So I try to come every year.
This conference is again that, right? 8-9 months ago when we had the last one, it was still a few masks, distance, and we're back at it. I'm so happy to see everybody here.
Really, this conference represents one of the few points of intersection between deep tech and med tech, investors and innovators. And so for us, we're just really excited to be here. It's one of the few places where all these people who are innovating in so many different ways and financing those kinds of innovations are coming together. So it's very exciting. Of course, with the couple of years that we've been through, it's time to get out and build.
To be at the LSI, I think this is a very interesting meeting. It's great to see the quality of the companies that we see here. We see a lot more digital health discussions, which is great to see. I think that also it's encouraging to see that the medtech space is so dynamic.
LSI in London is coming up in a couple of months' time, so I'm looking forward to being there. I don't have to travel over to the States for that one, although that's no big challenge. Look forward to being back here.
Just must be horrible to come out here to California.
This is such a great location. Scott and his team, they always pick the best locations for this. Yep. So very happy to be back here. Looking forward to being back here next year for sure.
Well, we're delighted to be here at LSI 2022 this year. So many of our clients are here, both the well-funded, leading-edge startup companies, 8 of whom I got to introduce as they did their pitches yesterday, as well as the large strategics. We play in both spaces and are delighted to see them both.
This is a great event. It's the intersection of technology and equity, and it's specialized in those two sectors, and it's really the meeting in the country right now where you can bring these two groups together.
This conference has attracted some of the biggest people in the industry, and yes, the answer is amazing meetings with amazing people, pioneers in the field, groups of people that finance emerging medtech.